Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers, ready to dominate the arena with one of the most challenging, yet rewarding, cards in Clash Royale? We are talking about the Expo, a true test of skill and strategy. This powerful siege building can single-handedly take down towers if deployed correctly. It demands your full attention and precise timing, but the payoff is absolutely huge, making it a fantastic win condition for serious players looking to elevate their game. Placement is everything when it comes to the Expo. For an offensive push, you'll typically want to place it one tile from the river, perfectly centered, so it can target both enemy princess towers. This forces your opponent to react immediately. Occasionally, if you know you can connect, placing it a bit more aggressively might even activate their king tower for a quicker final push. Think carefully about where it lands. Every tile truly matters. An Expo without support is often a wasted elixir. When you drop your Expo, make sure you have enough elixir to back it up, especially with defensive units. Cards like Ice Golem or Knight can effectively tank for it, while cheaper troops like Skeletons provide excellent distraction. Don't forget your spells. Arrows or the log are perfect for clearing pesky swarm cards that would otherwise shut down your attack. Protection is key here. While the Expo is known for its offense, it's also a surprisingly powerful defensive tool. You can use it to pull large tank units or chip away at a powerful support push. Understanding your deck cycle is vital. You want to quickly get back to your Expo and its supporting cards. Sometimes, holding your Expo for a defensive play or waiting for a specific counter is the smartest move. It truly comes down to timing and reading your opponent. As we look ahead to 2025, the Clash Royale meta will undoubtedly evolve. This brings new challenges and opportunities for Expo players. New cards and balance changes will shift popular deck archetypes, so staying informed is absolutely key. Don't be afraid to experiment with different support cards or even new Expo deck variations. Adapting your playstyle and refining your deck ensures your Expo remains a formidable force. Keep practicing and keep winning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.